This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, February 11th. Madam Ray. Friday's basketball games in Churchland were canceled due to a power outage. However, Maury had some good news on Saturday. Congratulations are in order for Jim Cox, who earned third place honors in the poetry competition at the Region 5A Forensics competition. Now here's Savion Land in the control room with what's coming up on the schedule.
Thanks, Adam. Today the JVM varsity team will battle against Maury High School. Tip-off for the girls' JV game is at 3:30, followed by the boys at 5 at Norvia. The girls' varsity game begins at 5:30, followed by the boys at 7 p.m. here at Maury. On Wednesday, the Region 5A Diving Championships will be decided beginning at 3:30 at the Southside Aquatic Center. Owen Reed Fern looks to claim his second regional championship in a row. That's it for today. Back to you, Adam.
Thanks, Savion. Now here's what's happening at MHS. You're up to date for this Tuesday. I'm Adam Ray. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.